Jesus. Saves? Yeah. 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 Come on, my people.
Let my people go.
It's like pastors, pimps, spiritual Uncle Toms, rappers, hustlers, movie directors, they Uncle Toms. Everybody sell their soul to gain wealth, Lord. This world is in chaos, Lord. You know we need help, Lord. Okay, man, you know me. I'm a field Negro, screaming at Pharaoh like Moses, let my people go. But the industry got y'all all on lock. From the pop, the rock, the hip-hop, R&B, and soul. From what you watch on the TV with your remote control. He got your mind, he got your heart, your body, and your soul. Video girls shake their booty, cats smoke cannabis, directors lace their movies with images of violence. But the same company preaches stop the violence, let's stop the hypocrisy, or better yet, hypocrisy. I've been watching y'all and y'all been watching me since the days of the schoolyard at Cardinal Doherty. See, some claim to be teachers, but I let the Holy Spirit teach you. I'm just a vessel the Lord used to reach you. See, I'm just an instrument over the instrumental. With so much sin in my life, I can't afford to be judgmental. It's like pastors, pimps, spiritual Uncle Toms, rappers, hustlers, movie directors, they Uncle Toms. Everybody sell their soul to gain wealth, Lord. This world is in chaos, Lord. You know we need help, Lord. Pastors, pimps, spiritual Uncle Toms, rappers, hustlers, movie directors, they Uncle Toms. Everybody sell their soul to gain wealth, Lord. This world is in chaos, Lord. You know we need help, Lord. My cousin, my nephew, my mellow, my man. Ezekiel 3P says to warn you, or there's blood on my hands. Lord, I'm your watchman, Jesus. I don't want no blood on my hands. So I'ma break down all the scriptures so that all y'all understand. Now see, some of y'all are wheat and some of y'all tares. Now some of y'all get the word choked out because of theirs, and some are good soil and some got rocky ground. But I'm that 100-fold soul, I ain't cocky now. That rapper you follow don't follow his visions, calling your sisters bees, hoes, chicken heads and pigeons. Okay, you're dark-skinned, but you're still an Uncle Tom, selling out your people for the latest local industry standard. But God's grace, man, you know it shouldn't be taken for granted. But I just sit back and I meditate, cause God will set it straight. There's a day coming when you won't afford the payola that spins in heaven radio system. Pastors, y'all better listen. Pastors, pimps, spiritual Uncle Toms, rappers, hustlers, movie directors, they Uncle Toms. Everybody sell their soul to gain wealth, Lord. This world is in chaos, Lord. You know we need help, Lord. Pastors, pimps, spiritual